You are sitting in a quiet office. A coworker leans in and whispers 3 words. Did you hear? Instantly, your brain lights up, your heart beats faster, and you lean closer. Have you ever wondered why you cannot resist a piece of gossip? We are taught from childhood that gossip is cheap, mean, and a waste of time. But modern science has discovered that your brain is actually hardwired to crave it. In fact, research shows that nearly 90% of daily human conversation is spent talking about other people. To understand why, we have to look back at our evolutionary ancestors. Millions of years ago, humans lived in small, nomadic tribes. Survival in these harsh environments was entirely dependent on trust. You needed to know who would share their food, who would run away from a predator, and who was secretly plotting to steal your position in the tribe. How did primates build this level of trust? A famous evolutionary anthropologist named Dr. Robin Dunbar studied this question at Oxford University. He observed that monkeys and apes spend up to 20% of their day physically grooming each other. This grooming releases endorphins, lowers stress, and bonds the group together. But as human tribes grew larger, physical grooming became physically impossible. According to Dr. Dunbar's research, the maximum group size a human can maintain stable social relationships with is about 150 people. This is known as Dunbar's number. To keep a group of that size united, we needed a faster way to bond. Dr. Dunbar discovered that language evolved to solve this exact problem. Gossip became our evolutionary replacement for physical grooming. Instead of picking bugs out of each other's fur, we began exchanging social information. It allowed us to bond with large groups of people in a fraction of the time. But gossip is not just about making friends. It is a powerful tool for survival and social control. Dr. Sarah Johns at the University of Kent studied how gossip regulates social behavior. She found that gossip acts as an ancient informal police force. If a tribe member was lazy, selfish, or cheated others, the group would gossip about them. This quickly ruined their reputation, warning others not to cooperate with them. In the ancient world, a bad reputation meant exile from the tribe, which was a death sentence. Gossip was the original social contract, keeping free riders in check and enforcing cooperation. This is why your brain reacts so strongly to reputation. Dr. Mark Leary, a psychologist at Duke University, developed the sociometer theory to explain this phenomenon. He argues that your self-esteem is not just an internal feeling, it is a biological gauge, like a fuel light in a car that monitors how much you are accepted or rejected by your tribe. Your brain uses gossip as critical data to update this gauge. When you hear gossip about someone else, your brain compares their behavior to yours, figuring out where you stand on the tribal hierarchy. Furthermore, we are biologically more attracted to negative gossip than positive gossip. This is because a threat to the tribe was far more dangerous than a good deed was helpful. Knowing who broke the rules was a matter of life and death. When you hear a secret today, you feel a sudden rush of pleasure. This is a burst of dopamine. Your brain is rewarding you for gathering valuable social survival data. So the next time you lean in to hear a secret, do not feel guilty. You're not just talking behind someone's back. You're using a tool that kept your ancestors alive. You're keeping the tribe together. You're sitting in a quiet office. A coworker leans in and whispers 3 words. This time, you smile. You lean closer. Your brain is just doing what it was built to do.